Wow, it's been a long time since I've seen all my friends. Hello, 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 hello. My name is Sam, and I'm 5 years old. And I love to sing funny songs. Today, we're going shopping to buy fruits to make fruit salad. All my favorite fruits are in this fruit salad. And I like to sing about them. Strawberries, blueberries, grapes, and cherries taste so sweet, taste so sweet. Let's go shopping now with our shopping list for our treat, for our treat. Oh, but I can't go alone. I need to go with my sister, Shirley. Yes, I'm coming. Now, Mummy gave me $20 and 2 EasyLink cards. So, let's take the bus to the supermarket! Sam, Mummy said to go to the wet market because the fruits will be cheaper. But it's so hot and there's no air con. Okay, but if Mummy asks... Okay, let's go! Here we are. Ooh, it's so nice and cold. Where are the fruits? There they are. Strawberries, blueberries, grapes, and cherries taste so sweet, taste so sweet. Put them in the basket, put them in the basket for a treat, for a treat. I love these fruits because they're so easy to eat. Sam, you should buy fruits that are in season. Mangoes, rambutans, and pineapples. No need. Strawberries, blueberries, grapes, and cherries are not in season, and so they're going to be very expensive. I like these fruits. They're my favorite fruits. Okay. Let's bring them to the cashier. $34? Sam, Mummy only gave me $20, so we are going to have to put some of the fruits back. No! I love all these fruits. Can you use your pocket money? Sam? Please? Okay, but you've got to tell Mummy. I'm going to teach you how to make my favorite fruit salad. It's so easy. Just put all your fruits into the bowl, and that's it. Sam, wash the fruit first. No need. Wow. Ew! What's wrong? There's dirt on my strawberries. Because you need to wash the fruits before you eat them. But Mommy does that for me. Sam, if you want to eat your fruit salad, you will need to watch Mummy prepare them the next time. Okay, I will. Yeah. Well.
Okay, what's wrong now?
The grapes, they're not sweet. And the cherries, they're not sweet. None of the fruits are sweet. Oh.
These fruits only grow well around certain times of the year, and that's why they're not very sweet and very expensive. We should buy fruits that are in season. Since we live in Singapore, we should buy tropical fruits like bananas, mangoes, papayas, rambutans.
Oh.
You know, sometimes you should listen to me or Mummy. We are just trying to help you.
Now, I don't feel like eating my fruit salad anymore. Maybe we can wait for Mummy to bring us to the wet market to buy some tropical fruits. Can I make my fruit salad with those kinds of fruits?
Yes, of course. You can make fruit salad with any fruit.
Ah! Yay! I'm sorry for getting angry, Shirley.
That's okay, Sam.
What's that sound?
Oh no, I forgot to turn off the tap after washing our fruits. We've been wasting water.
Ah!